how to create an LLC for brokerage account. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're investing through platforms like E-Trade, Fidelity, or even Robinhood, you might be wondering if you can use an LLC instead of your personal name. And the answer is yes, and you probably should. Forming an LLC for your brokerage account can give you liability protection, help you separate business from personal investing, and even unlock some tax planning flexibility, especially if you're trading large amounts, managing assets for others, or investing as a group. In this video, I'll explain why using an LLC for your brokerage account can be a smart move and how you can easily form one using Busy, which is a platform that helps you create your LLC for free and handles all the paperwork for you. So click the link in the description to start your LLC with Busy. It's 100% free. You just pay the state fees and they take care of everything else. So first, the question is, why use an LLC for a brokerage account? So here's why creating an LLC for investing makes sense. First, you get liability protection. If your trades are part of a business model or investment group, an LLC shields your personal assets from legal risk. Second, professionalism. You'll open a brokerage account under your company name, not your own. Third, tax planning. You can elect to be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or even an S Corp, giving you more control over how you handle capital gains, deductions, and expenses. Last but not the least, group investing. If you're managing investments with friends, family, or partners, an LLC gives you a legal framework to share ownership, profits, and responsibilities. So simply click the link in the description and you'll be head over to busy.com. So first, you gotta choose your state and business info. Select your state of formation. For investment LLCs, states like Wyoming or Delaware are often preferred due to privacy and low fees. So simply give your LLC a name and simply head over. So all LLCs need one registered agent. Busy gives you a free registered agent for the first year, which meets your state's legal requirements. Busy handles this legal filing for you automatically, such as certificate of formation, no government forms or legal jargon to worry about. You'll need an EIN to open a brokerage account in your LLC's name. Busy applies for it on your behalf even if you're not a US citizen. And if you're forming your LLC in 2024 or later, don't forget about the BOI report, which is required by FinCEN. Busy will alert you when it's due and walk you through filing it so you stay 100% compliant. So why do I recommend Busy? Because it has free LLC formation, free registered agent for 1 year, EIN filing included, BOI reminders and compliance tools, and simple interface for beginners and investors alike. So whether you're swing trading, holding assets long-term, or managing money as a group, Busy helps you do it right. If you're ready to set up your LLC for investing, click the link in the description to start with Busy today. It's free, fast, and made for investors like you. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.